The guy just left. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I just made $500 selling the drink machine. I'm gonna show you what I sold. So a guy from Facebook Marketplace pulls up to my house at 5:45 in the morning and buys this vending machine right here. $500. He's gonna come back and pick it up later today. This is the earliest I've ever sold a vending machine in the morning. So yeah, this business never sleeps. That's what I love about it. Never sleeps. Yep. Single price Coke machine. It's my baby. Works like a charm. Yep. Need help pushing it? Need a trailer next time.
Ahí dase. No sé, ¿cómo la vas a hacer? And that one you weren't selling? The one that you have to take up?
Nah, I'm holding that for somebody.
Can you get more like those?
Yeah. Sure can.
What price?
That one goes for about $900, $950. CB 700.
Hey. Dale.
You went all the way under the truck with the strap?
Yeah. Ya, muerte ahí. Muerte. Ponle la otra mitad de la pinche strap.
For some reason, if you think that's not going to work, you could probably just lay it down on that toolbox. Won't hurt it. He's pulling the fender.
Tírale de lado o qué? No va a caer ahí bien. You can put the ice chest in the bag.
I don't think it would hurt the ice chest though.
Huh?
I don't think it would hurt the ice chest.
It won't hurt it if we lay it down though?
Nah.
A lo mejor la de ala, güey.
Might as well.
Pero va a estar bien pesada, güey.
Better safe than sorry. You don't want that thing coming out of the.
Huh?
You don't want it coming out of the bed of the truck.
Que lo va a caer a la verga.
There we go.
Dale. Estamos ahí. Ya. Un poquito más por acá.
Scoot it back some.
Ya. Vente para acá. Dale un poquito más. Dale. Ay. Un poquito más, ¿no? Dale. Ay, vete. Dame la pinche estero, le pongo un estero. La ponemos aquí, para que no corra por allá. Sí. ¿Entiendes? Si la ponemos acá, no. Ahí, Gina. ¿Entiendes? ¿Ah? Can I take anything in the back?
Yeah, behind that machine over there.
What? Está bueno. All right. Is this one open up there?
Yeah.
Feel better?
Yeah, this particular one, it has an upgraded board. So you can put a credit card reader on it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So it's a little bit more money, actually. The guy's supposed to be picking it up tomorrow, so we'll see.
For 600?
Yeah.
Well,
Yep.
what's your number? I lost it. All right.
210-843-0734.
0734.
Yep.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Come back and see me again. Safe travels, man.